Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 44 Winter Street, Apartment 2S in Fall River, Massachusetts. This apartment is a second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It is located in the north end of Fall River. We are in the main living room, dining room area. As you can see, this apartment has been recently renovated. Walls have been repainted. The floor is in excellent shape. We have the resilient vinyl panel flooring. Straight ahead, we have the space heater for keeping the apartment nice and warm during the cold seasons. Straight ahead is the first bedroom. And you can see the panel floor throughout. Very bright apartment with plenty of windows. We do have a closet straight ahead as well. Fairly large closet in the corner. Moving back out, we are going to look at the second bedroom here, past the circuit breaker on the wall. This room actually has 2 closets. We have a small coat closet here to the right, and then immediately behind the door we have a deeper, larger storage closet. Plenty of extra space to store things. And we also have the back exit in this bedroom as well, right past the window. Moving back out, we're going to the bathroom area and the kitchen area. As you can see, we have the nice tile floor throughout. Here we have the bathroom. It's quite a spacious bathroom. Large medicine cabinet here. It does have a full-size tub and shower. We have the toilet behind there. And lastly, we're going to the kitchen area. You see it's a cozy, quaint little kitchen, but it does feature a lot of cabinet space, as well as the nice tile floor throughout. Have the gas stove as well. Stainless steel sink. And this property is managed by Nexus Property Management. So you do have benefits such as having an online login where you can make rent payments online and contact staff for non-emergency purposes. You also have access to a 24-hour hotline number for emergency repairs or maintenance needs. We also offer other services such as key copying and emergency lockouts. Again, this is 44 Winter Street, apartment 2S in Fall River, Massachusetts.